Welcome to another edition of Big O Video. Today we're going to be smoking some wonderful salmon fillets, and if you come on over here I'll show you kind of how we're going to prep this. What we have here is we have some Everglades seasoning that we're going to sprinkle all over the fillets, real nice like there. We have some chopped up dill that was chopped up a little bit earlier. Let me go over to this one. And then to top it all off, we're going to add some lemons to the fillets. And there you go. If you notice in here, what we did was we already added water. We recommend adding water for fish and other lean meats. We also added our wood chips there. So this is where it gets a little bit different in that normally what we do is put the meat on and light it. Because this is a shorter cook of about 30 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this table and all the salmon. We're going to light the charcoal. And as soon as we have smoke coming out of the cooking cylinder, then we're going to add the salmon fillets. That way, instantaneous smoke to the salmon. Now, for those folks that want a little bit extra smoke flavor, you can do the same process and you'll get an extra smoke flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the table. And then we'll go ahead and light it, and then we'll come back here shortly. Take care, and thank you so much. All right, guys, so it's been about 25 minutes. As you can see here, we got smoke rolling out of the cooking cylinder here, and we're good to go. I think I failed to mention earlier that the wood chips that we're using is the fish, vegetable, and fruit variety. A light smoked flavor, but perfect for fish and the like. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and add the cooking grate to the cooking cylinder. Add the fillets like here and this one. And at that point what we're going to do is we're going to add the lid. Notice the charcoal on the lid is not lit. Now it will be. What we're going to do is just go ahead and take this MAP gas here, with help from a lighter. There we go. Light it, and we are good to go. As I mentioned in the previous video, we will remove this table during the cooking process and bring it back once the salmon's done, which should be about 30 minutes. So we'll see you here shortly, and look forward to tasting some fantastic smoked salmon. Take care. All right, guys, so it's been about 30 minutes, and we're going to check these salmon fillets for doneness and eat some darn good food. Wow, golden brown. For sure. Let's transfer them from the grill grate over to the plate. I will mention that I did wipe these. Well, there's your answer right there. Flaking right away, looking fantastic. I did rub these down with a little bit of olive oil, so easier to get off. Flaking right away there. Let's try some. Salmon fillet in the Orion Cooker. It does not get any better than that. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next episode of Big O Video. Be safe out there.